All right, and we should be live. Hello, everyone. First of all, how is the audio? Are you guys going deaf because of the music, because of my voice? All right, perfect. So today we are going to do a pretty chill stream. You won't hear me talking all the time for once. Yeah, we'll just be covering a couple of tickets. Probably won't do them all. Marnix made some that he wants us to take a look at, and we'll just go through them and see about it. Of course, Marnix is the only one complaining, while the rest says it's fine. What are we going to get started with? Let's just start with an easy one. That's a hell of an ugly button, Marnix. If someone else except Marnix says I'm too quiet or the music is too loud, I will change it. If it's only Marnix, I ignore. Alright, let's dive to our guild hall. So basically the buttons continue and load game, they disappear now. And Marnix wants us to disable them instead. Put the audio a bit lower, so it should be a bit more silent for you guys now. Let's take a look. Here we only do the most advanced coding, obviously. So this is probably something Marnix could have done, but it's fine. I remember Marnix saying to me someday that I don't test my tickets, so maybe I shouldn't test them. Just to prove him right. Yo, Philip. Let's take a look. Okay. We don't have a delete saves button, it seems. Delete saves. And nothing happened, great. But are the saves deleted? Oh no, they are disabled. Ha, they just look ugly when they are disabled. Did I do something stupid? Is it a button? I don't need to, yeah, of course I don't need to disable them. It's, what is it, interactable? Great start. So while we wait for Unity to load, which is always very quickly, how are you guys doing? That's also useless. Yeah, that's what we like. What genre would you call this? It's a simulation management type of game. So yeah, it's basically you are a guild master, and you have a guild, you have adventurers, and they come in, they live their own lives, and you just try to manage it so they are happy, they keep bringing the money for you, all those things. So yeah, it's basically a bit of a relaxed type of management game. Something we really want this game to do is not be a stressful kind of management game. so it's more laid back. It's we will have some mini games so you can pass the time a bit and have a bit of a chill vibe in the game. I mean, we're already done with the first ticket, so I mean, not every ticket is created equally, but this one is already done. Couple of lines of code. So we usually work in a couple of columns. Review. Once the stream is over, I'll make a pull request and Marnix will verify that everything works. And hello everyone from Mexico, Massachusetts, everywhere, Sweden. Let's take a look. Extract repeating behaviors into the method. Yeah, true, but it's 2 lines and I'm a very lazy programmer. Unless when I care about something, then I really like over-engineering something. Cozy 4x. Yeah, that's a way to describe it. The accordion. Let's take a look at the accordions. So, problem is that the header is clickable, but the button, this one. Can't we just disable the button then? Aren't we all? I mean, every good programmer is lazy. That's what I like to believe. But when I tell this to Marnix, he doesn't always seem to agree that that's the case. Oh, I won't skip it. Look at this amazing smooth transition William is working on. It's still a bit work in progress, but it's already very cool in my opinion. There we go. So this is our beautiful game, at least where you start up. Glad you found the channel and welcome. What was? Oh yeah, I was going to check the draggy things. Oh, it's okay. Probably it's still very castable. We can fix this. Break as target. No. Take a look. There we go. Perfect. Second ticket done. I mean, we're starting with the easy ones, so it looks like we're doing a whole lot of things, but yeah, not always. Thomas hates doing it. Marnix, don't throw me under the bus like this. We do clipping, but it's yeah, not in a good way. GTA 7. We're already working on GTA 9. Don't leak it though, because we are still under NDA with Rockstar. So yeah. This one quick. Can't remember. Sure. Go away. Also go away. There we go. I mean, yeah, you're pumping iron, great. Just ask Marnix to do a stream where he pumps some iron himself. Don't you guys want to see that? I mean, we can do the chilling. We can relax together, and then another stream. Marnix is the one hyping everyone up and doing a 10,000 push-up challenge. I think it's a good idea. So, interact cursor is offset from the default cursor. Yeah. That's ugly. What's the name of the other guy who makes YouTube videos with you? Marnix. He's the one making most of the YouTube videos. Most people would describe me as the guy that he is making YouTube videos with. I usually work while he's out there trying to be an influencer. So, oh, Zoe Spencer, thanks for the dono. If you ever want to do text-to-speech, you can also try Kofi, but this is perfect as well. Thank you very much. By the time I'm done with my day job, I'm too mentally drained to work on game dev. Any advice? I think Marnix is in chat. I think he's the best one to answer it, because even though I'm the one working and he's, well, full-time for the studio, I have a very unhealthy way to handle this, and I cannot in good faith give you that advice. So Marnix, it's all up to you. Give him some good advice. Maybe this one is a fun one to do. We saw the cool intro already. Let's make it skippable. Now the downside is I haven't, like, William is the one that wrote this code and I haven't really looked at it yet, so it might be an adventure, but I got you guys to back me up, so we got this, right? Alright, first things first, let's go to our guild hall. Do we have a... I don't think we have a UI for it, right? What did William do? Oh yeah, so Zoe, a tip Marnix put in chat, which is pretty good in my opinion, is try to do it before work. Yeah, if you're not a morning person, it's a bit hard to do, but it's, if you don't have the energy after work, try to do it before. Might be a good try. I think it's always important to find what you think is the best for you. Game dev during work, I cannot in good faith give you that advice. So let's take a look. This is useless. Where the hell did William put it? What was it called again? Not having kids is a unique way to fix your issues, I guess. You guys have other jobs? No, I have another job. William and Marnix are full-time. So I just think one job isn't enough fun, so we need two. But the rest, they prefer to have some free time, although Marnix doesn't really have free time anyway. Dolly cards. Smooth pot. Okay, so this is the pot he's lerping between, I see. Let's take a look. Yeah, he totally didn't copy this from somewhere. Now that I see the code. Take a look. Alright, reset. Yes. Load. Yeah, I mean, it can be fun, Simon, but you have to get your energy from somewhere. So some people, it's hard. If Guild Arctic makes 10 mil, I don't think I would prefer to create some divergate. We create project cultivation cycles, right, Marnix? The comments in code, I mean, we sometimes do comments, sometimes we don't. Is there a way to write tests in Unity? Let me show you something really cool. And that is play mode tests and edit mode tests. We made a video about this, but it's pretty old. And if I press this button, just take a look at what happens here. We run a bunch of automated tests, which test a lot of our systems. So to answer your question, yes. So now we use the guildhall scene. Sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. And that way we can easily test our mechanics. If you make a game like this, a management and simulation games, it's very important to test your business logic. If you make a platformer, probably don't bother with it. But yeah, also I shouldn't have pressed run all, because now 100 of us are sitting here watching automated tests run and waiting. So yeah, I've done smarter things in my life. Let's look. I wanted to see where it ends. Update control points. It's set. It's ugly that the struct is in the class, but whatever. Exposition looped. Through the path's ends are joined from a continuous loop. Okay, so I assume that here we're done, basically. Loop near now. Where are you called? Evaluate local position along the path. You used. Okay. Sin machine chisel. So how do we handle building the UI? Usually I make them working, and then someone else makes them pretty, because I'm not the best at art. Then they break everything that was working, and they created a pretty screen, and I make it work again. That's the usual 3-step flow. It's a 3-step approach. I gotta say, I'm pretty disappointed with this code. But the nice thing is William didn't write it, I guess, so. But like, what triggers it? Is it on enable? Enable? Nope. Awake? Nope. Start? Nope. Alright, where the hell does this guy assign it? Level. Nope. Ask Thomas to click on an adventure. I mean, I guess that means you ask me to click on an adventure. That's alright. I'll click on an adventure just for you guys. Boom. So what now? Because chat is going pretty quickly. So yeah, this is a UI. This is another part of the UI where we describe what they like. We clearly missing some translations. Oh yeah, adventurers have equipment. So this one has a studded leather armor right now. A little history so we can keep track on what they did. So we can basically track their entire life. What's also really cool, I totally am not biased because I did most of the adventure things, but it's really cool that the characteristics love the hates. It influences relationships between adventurers. So if they ever interact together, they can be friends, they can be enemies, they will have a lot of them. Is there a day-night cycle? Yes, there is actually one active. I'll show you real quick. Let's just quickly improve it. Night time a bit, or 8 hours extra. Who cares? This is our lovely nighttime view for now. Guild Tavern brawls. Basically, yes, they cannot be very happy with each other. We also really want to implement like drunkenness into the game because of a tavern, and I mean, if you have a bunch of adventurers together, yeah, it's sure to get rowdy, right? But yeah, you guys are pretty great at distracting me from my work, but since it's you guys, I don't mind. Also, view is fine. React is fine. Angular is fine, but everyone knows that Unity UI is the king of all. If you have to make a website, just make a static web page with a Unity client in it. Oh yeah, I was going to look where this is being used. William. What did you do to me? Tutorial opening. Dolly track, dolly car. Alright, I assume here you... Surely you do it here. Set card position, update. Set card position. Is it so hard to create an incomplete function? More William streams or a riot. I mean, we don't stream a lot in general, so. Bot doesn't equal null. I assume. Loading. It's in another namespace. Okay. Then we do it the default Unity way. We have our own logging framework. Yeah, I know I'm complaining about the merge request that I approved. Marnix, sometimes you don't have to give more context. Wait, no. It's in a machine. It's not the code that I reviewed. Let's take a look. Also, am I even allowed to do it? Yeah, because it's a Unity package. I'm not allowed to do this. That's great. But is it? Wait, wow. I'm sure I cannot read properly. Update. Go to the position. Set card. Alt is no, sure. Yoink. Yeah. Does he disable controls, by the way? How did I think about it? What is this doing something? I don't think so. Virtual camera. I see. The camera rig is the main camera. It's on. Where does he switch between them? Because he has 2 separate virtual cameras for it. Support to incentivize more streams? Well, thank you. Oh, he made a new script for this. Okay, I see. Skip currently dolly camera to end. Okay, now we talking. Is blending. Totally current. Okay, so he interpolates between them. I see. Good. What is... Okay, so he made different camera type, I see. Where do you use it, William? Tutorial manager. Skip cinematic. Alright. So here we'll start listening. Oh, wait, you saw the training game? You mean this one? Yes, we have a train, so we already know it's going to be a 99 rating on Metacritic. Alright. So... skip dialogue. Alright, so this one we're going to take a quick look. So skip dialogue. We're going to make it pause for a second because I want to do it in editor. So #f unity core editor. Then we do this one because I have to see this a long time. I want it to happen instantly. Basically, you need to create a new thingy that triggers this one. But where is this tutorial manager? Where did he put it? Is it on the managers? Because then we need to set the UI somewhere. Tutorial.
New 5 donation from Zoe Spencer. Already did a super chat, but this stack of Monster Energy cans beside me says I should share the wealth.
Thank you. I'm glad I'm not the only one that Monster Energy speaks to. I hope you enjoy your stack. PC specs, I have Ryzen 7 5800X and 32 gigs of RAM and a 4070. That's, I think, the most important thing to know. Tutorial. Right. I think I'm just going to skip this ticket until I ask William what he did, because I totally reviewed this, but what the hell? He put it at like 20 different places. Yeah, I admit my defeat. I just don't want to spend the time with it. I don't think it's interesting for you guys. Didn't even put it in progress, so nobody will know. You guys won't tell, right? Reputation naming overhaul. We can do this. This one is a bit juicier. Do we have the models in game already? I don't know. Icons. Okay, so we do have them. Great. Maybe we just do that one. Oh, reload the board. Marnix, you added a bunch of things, didn't you? Ah, you did, thank you. Thank you. Get clean clear from our trailer. 9 minutes ago, so he's watching the stream and thinks you guys are doing it too quickly. Okay. What else did you do? The incorrect walls. Prince pressing dwarf. I mean, this is something I want to do at the end. Because it's on a different branch. What else did you do? Oh, you didn't add that many things. Easy. And would I recommend the processor? I mean, I'm happy with it. It's Unity is still Unity. I think if you think everything is quick, you're a bit optimistic. But I don't mind. What do you guys think? Any ticket you guys like? Because I'm very good at making decisions. We develop, yeah, we indeed develop for the Japanese market with dating sims, and we indeed use it to practice our dating, obviously. Any tips on workflow with Rider? I mean, if you use Rider, you're already 10,000 steps ahead of everyone else, because Rider is amazing. Bugs over fancy tickets. Oof. Why do you say this, Astro Monkey? Because I don't want to do this one. This is not a fun one. But I don't remember if it's consistent. If it's consistent, it's easy. If it's not consistent, it's not easy. Wait. Oh, let's do this one. This is a pretty visual one. You guys will love it, I'm sure. Maybe we do the one you suggested later. So Marnix made like 2 roads, and when the market hall is unlocked, the road needs to become active. So let's take a look what he did. Market hall, here it is. Don't judge our gizmos. We are definitely knowing. Oh yeah, it's insane. No. You got a full game if you're throwing tickets, that's what I did, yeah. So where did you put it? Carrie F, thank you for the support. It's I'm not as big of a showmaker as Marnix, but I appreciate it definitely at least as much as him. You call it Marnix. Market hall locked. I mean, you do have a cool bean next to your name now. We only added the supporting thing on YouTube like a couple of days ago, so I think you are the first. So it's an honor to have you. We had interns making our models, and for the models we don't have, we abuse Marnix. I say abuse because he's not a 3D artist, but yeah, that just doesn't change the fact that that he has to do it. Sasha, thank you for joining as well. Love to have you on board. Congratulations with your cool B next to your name. I think there are also some emotes Marnix added. Does Marnix also code? He wrote like 2 lines. No, I think in a video he said about 10 lines for Forge Industry. And I think he even said himself that I removed like that I had like 10 bug tickets from his 10 lines of code or something like that. I don't remember what video it was, but we have our walking, talking encyclopedia Marnix out our videos here, so he can explain. Iris Jiminy. I almost thought I read Jimmy, but it's Jiminy. Love to have you on board. And yeah, Sasha, the pixel art one is great. William is a pro pixel artist, as you can see. He made that little guy sometime, and yeah, we love him so much. He looks so funny. And hello everyone joining the stream just now. It's under the environment. Okay. So, what the hell? So, you just open the fences, basically. I see. Okay. But what's really nice is we have a. What is it called again? I suck at names. What time is it here? It's 7 p.m. if you're from the US. And if you use the normal clock, it's 1907. Expansion, hyper expansion. There we go. So the market hall is locked. It means the market hall cannot be unlocked. And the market hall unlocked means the market hall has to be unlocked. I mean, that should already be it. Let's give it a go. I mean, for a coding stream, we haven't done much coding yet, but this is the 3rd ticket we are working on. So that's something. So let's take a look. So the path here is closed, and from what I understand, one of these should disappear once we unlock our market hall. We have our fancy debug menu. Unlock the market hall. Oh, and we have a hole. Marnix, I think you'll have to change your cool prefabs to make sure there's a post here, because this looks a bit weird. Or am I going to do it? Decisions. Whatever, I'll do it. I'll carry him once again. Implemented issue incorrectly, Marnix. What do you mean? It's an honor prefab. These are the ones you mentioned in the ticket, no? 2 parents in the environment prefab. I did exactly what you asked me to do. I don't know what you're talking about. Game looks nice. Market hall all unlocked. But and locked disabled. Yeah, but it happens at runtime. Marnix, don't complain. Look at the stream right now. Before you send me another angry Discord message. no market hall. And you have your locked one is enabled. When you unlock your market hall, shit, this one is not enabled. Okay, you're right. Yeah, because you put it off. Oh, you put it off by default. Yeah, this is definitely you. But yeah, I haven't said anything. It's fixed. Not my fault. Looks amazing. Thank you very much. There was basically a bit of overlap between Songs of Everjade and Guild Architect, where I worked on Guild Architect and the rest worked on Songs of Everjade a bit. But yeah, after we cancelled Songs of Everjade, this was main focus, and we've been working for like 5 months by now, or like 4 months, and me 5 months. Okay, so Mardix is now happy because now he sees his pretty fences. So yeah, this is exactly what he wanted. Now you're happy, right, Mardix? And oh, this thing is not nice. So this means the red lines here, the dots here, means that our adventurers cannot pass it. Is this an issue? Something in the way. God damn it. I approve. Well, it's not working now. So first it works, then you disagree. Now it doesn't work and you approve. Something sus. Keep up the good work. Thank you very much. We try our best. Why, Barnix, why the hell did you put a collider here? In the middle? What's that supposed to be? What is this collider doing, man? I think you wanted to hit... I think you forgot to rotate it. It's fine. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. That's also not what... Oh my god. This is going to be a pain. Just put a mesh. I know this is the not pretty way to do it, by the way. Mesh. It doesn't show properly. God damn it. Go see here. Fences all have colliders. Yeah. Fence unlocked. Yeah, this one is just... No, I will fix it. Yoink. Doesn't have to be perfect, because we work basically in a grid-like system. Oh, they cannot be rotated, god damn it. Hey. Just make it a bit thicker. Yeah, that should be fine. Thomas feed is crippling mono energy can program even harder. Oh yeah, it's the message. I read our own message. Let's go. I'm a pro at this. I'm waiting. You're waiting for the Steam page? Yeah, good luck. I'm also waiting for it. I hope Marnix finally gets of his lazy ass and implements it. There's also a collider here, it seems. That's ugly. We'll fix that one soon. Mark it all. Alright, so in this state it's fixed already. Perfect. Wait, is it? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Okay. Maybe I'll make it thicker though. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make it a bit bigger. And in the locked state, it's not fun. Back to it. Locked. Okay. Yeah, this one is also messed up. What is that collider doing there? Like I said, doesn't have to be perfect. Probably offset because one of these fences is rotated. God damn it. What is it? About 15 more? 13 more. Yeah, 13 more. So let's make 92. And then 65. Okay, wrong side. Great. It's doomed. Yeah, it's doomed. I don't want to do this. Nope, we're not doing this. What do you mean you cannot go live? Of course you can. Is the mesh collider too expensive? It's more expensive. and it is something we should be able to fix easy. Why colliders are not inside the fence prefab? That's a good question, Dimitri. You can add Marnix, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay, you know what? Okay. Can I just... Oop. Doop. What the hell are you doing there? I'm going to do the lazy fix. The adventure shouldn't walk here anyway, so it'll be fine. That's locked and unlocked. You guys won't tell Marnix I did it the easy way, right? David. Alright, let's see if it's fine now. In the end, it's just to ensure the adventurers see that there's an obstacle, so they don't have to be super detailed. Okay. So this is fine. Yeah, it's fine. Now let's take a look if we unlock our market hall. The pad is open and they can pass. Perfect. I mean, should be fine then. Alright, another ticket done. For the installation fee from Unity, I think it's anything 2022 is the last version I think you can use. Because I think 2023 or 6 are already going there. System specs, Ryzen 7 5800X, 4070 and 32 gigs of RAM. So our ticket done. Let's refresh. Marnix, did you add some more? You did not. Can't all be winners. Yeah, you do need to make quite a bit of money before you get into the pricing, indeed. Astro Monkey. Need to get clean game footage for a trailer, which would be debug menu. Misgiltern Muzu. Okay, this one we can. Let's just do this one. Boom, in progress. We're all safe. No, we're not. Soon we won't be safe anymore. All of us will all be millionaires. I'm not coping, you are. Let's start with creating a command in our debug window. camera. Let's add turn off UI. UI. You say toggle, but it's always turning off, because otherwise you don't have UI. So whatever. Icon image, perfect. And then your miss debug commands. Wait. I cannot call it toggle after I just said I won't name it toggle. Damn it. What did I call it? Turn off UI. Turn off UI. Yeah, whatever Copilot you can keep that in mind. Will there be procedurally generated generation? All our adventures are generated, so they have preferences, opinions on matters. Yeah, a lot of almost everything about the adventures are generated, as well as quests. So all our quests will be at least in some way procedurally generated. So yeah. Let's assign the commands. We have that HUD manager, I think. Mm-hmm. The environment was not procedurally generated. We want to keep that in control because we go for a cozy vibe, so we don't want to randomize too much. Escape to show by false by default. Why are you not happy? Probably because we're not using you. Allow escape false by default. I'll just say you have to show you why it's allow escape. We created a cool event system. We can use that to listen to input actions. So we once we're planning to release it for free, which is the event listener, so you can easily listen to events, passing data between scripts. It's really, really clean, but we're still working on it. So we don't need to implement that because we already have it. What do you mean? Damn, everything is very red. It's something syntax does not like. Okay, so now we need to give types to this. Was it on save start and on input action, and so same here, save start and on input action. So now we get the data in our method automatically. How do I make money without releasing the game? I mean, if you can tell me, would be nice. Then we can easily check what button. So everyone does, because I'm very bad at typing, so I just like copying things. You want to use the default way to pause, and yeah, let's indeed invert it, make it a bit cleaner. If the HUD is visible, we... No, we don't want this. If escape to show HUD. Show HUD. And then here, HUD manager, and HUD true. Take a look. What's the chance this works first try? I imagine not very high, even though it's not hard code. Skip. So turn off UI. This is what Marex wants. And do we get it back if I press escape? We don't. Oh, kinda. It's a debug command, so it shouldn't like be perfect, but it's a bit weird still. We open the pause menu. It's stupid. Okay, and I said check. Is Guild Architect set for 2024 release? You really like asking hard questions, don't you? We hope so. We are not sure if it's realistic yet. Like later this week, all of us are getting together, talk a bit about, what are the plans for the next coming months, and we'll see, because we're all going to Japan for a while as well. I assume progress will slow down a bit while we're there, so I'm not sure yet. It's definitely not released tomorrow. Bigger. All to Japan. Yeah, it's in September, so we still have a bit of time. Statement here, because it's ugly. Bit of holiday. I'll also work remotely for my real job a bit. The others, bite me, is their real job, so they just have their boss, which is me, looking on their fingers saying, hey Marnix, why are you working so slow? And yeah. So we should probably add a check. Fine, I'll do it. Oh, is visible, but not just visible. And you have to show UI. How to call them? Debug. Names are hard. You made a game for the playdate though, that's really cool. So Thomas is CEO/BiteMe. I am. You can see it on our website. I'm just not very assertive. I like letting things flow, give people freedom. So Marnix has a lot of freedom. I don't know. I have no inspiration. Debug, Invisible Hut, great name. It was sarcasm. Bad suggestions. I like pressing tab too much. Bad matter, instance bad. Debug visible. We just return, I think. Yeah. We don't just return now. Is it visible? And escape. I should also open it. Big brain Thomas. Show. Marnix is the power bottom. I'm not sure what power bottom means, but it's I have some idea. It's weird. What is box group general? It groups things together. I can I'll show you. Oh. So in our HUD manager, great. You see here shortcuts, general and saving. It's basically like subdividing it so it's easily like readable. So all the shortcuts are grouped under here, general under here. Very useful. It's a great thing. Game will be open source. Nope. Nope. It will not. Drop down next to place to instantly start a scene. So I can easily start the main menu with this button or another scene with this button. We were testing the UI thingy for Linux, so turn it off and it's back again. And the pause button is now broken. Great. Okay, so if HUD is visible and escape the show. Yeah, we never reset this. Still. Okay, show HUD. Yeah, Mardix likes watching me work. He's a bit weird. It's fine though. I don't judge. Yes. The opposite. You guys will tell me. Yeah, I'm not shaming him. I mean, Marnix is, I think, the best business partner I could ever ask for. I really appreciate everything he does for BiteMe. And he's a good guy in general. Turn off UI. Do you return? You do not. God. Whoever tells you that booleans are not the hardest thing in existence, they are lying to you. Where do we use you? Wait. Visible. Okay, to show you why. It's true here. I feel stupid, but I'm going to put a breakpoint for a boolean. Glad you like the visual style. The content from the game, maybe after we fix a couple of things, I can show you a bit about the game. Who knows? Stick around. And TV commercials with tampons, I'm not sure. While I'm eating lunch, I'm usually not watching TV, especially not for tampon ads. But hey. Alright, so we hit the breakpoint. The HUD is visible. You're lying. The HUD is not visible. What do you mean? Is it happening too soon? True, false. What do you mean? This isn't right. Is HUD visible is false. But by default, it is visible. This is a shit name. Is it invisible? I'm sure I made this code, by the way, so it's really... Oh my, it is invisible. Oh my god. I cannot even blame someone else, because I wrote this. So we hide it, and we say, no wait, no. We were thinking about releasing Songs of Everjade to the community, but we cannot really do that because we use paid assets in it. And yeah, that means we cannot open source it easily, or we had to remove them and blah blah blah. So not ideal. If that is a return, why are you by default false? Like, this is such a lie. It's default true, no? Scrap the assets? Yeah, but that's a lot of work because we used some things for like core mechanics, which is, by the way, something you should probably never do. We also talked about this. It's like, yeah. Press bool to doubt your code. Let's take a look. True, yeah. Wait. False. I hear it false. But you're not true, right? You have to show UI true. What am I doing wrong? Wait. So this works. Turn off UI. It's fine. And it returns. Oh, wait, so it does work? Marnix, what else do you want me to call it except turn off UI? It literally turns off the UI. It only... So once the window closes, it's... like here, it's fine. Opens pause menu, then it's back. But he's going to complain about it. Ever thought about using UI toolkit? Yes. Why haven't we done it yet? Just haven't gotten to it really. I never really tried it, to be honest. I know it's pretty big. I also don't know what the state about it is, because yeah, turn off UI doesn't equal turn off UI. Let's check. Martin is talking. Turn off UI doesn't equal turn. Oh, okay. The grammar Nazi. Yeah. Okay, I understand. Marnix is bullying me because I'm not native English, but it's fine. Here I wrote it correctly, by the way. And just in the text I did it, so it's definitely a typo. There you go. So run this way. HUD is invisible. But then it happens here. Should probably just put this one lower, because all of these things should probably take priority. Yeah, assets can be good, but they can also be detrimental for sure. Bye, Ferenc. Hope you enjoyed the stream. When is the game coming out? Good question. Marnix hopes in November, I think. We'll see about that. Turn off UI. And it's back. Wait, that's better. Now it... Ugh. Why? If I just not get here? Is menu open? What is this? Quick advisor? No, we're not hitting that one. Is any window open? Close last window. Return. Are you using ECS or dots? Not really. We used for a while, I don't think we shipped it in the end. ECS in Forge Industry, but right now we are not using it for Guild Architects. The thing is, the weirdest part about this is it works when I have a window open. Otherwise it doesn't. But that's because this bad boy... No, sorry. This bad boy. What are you doing now? Sounds... nothing too fancy, I'd say. Oh, I know. I'm an idiot. We don't need this check at all, because we handle it on the other side. God damn it. I make it complex when it can be easy. So did this one. Now I can simplify these back. Does Unity? Oh yeah, Unity definitely had it. I used breakpoints earlier. I just sometimes refuse to, because you know the Nintendo game from back in the day, Brain Training. This is my way of playing it. Hi, Luciano. Cheers from Belgium. Turn off UI. And it's back. And pause works. Wow. And we can exit window with escape as well. Alright. Should also be it. Hi Thomas, how you doing? Well, hi Thomas, how you doing? I'm doing fine. I hope you're doing fine as well. It's been a while since we've seen each other. Do we want to do next? Maybe in the mealtime I'll show you guys a bit of Guild Architect while I'm thinking what to do. The show. You guys earlier said you liked the UI. I'll show you some really cool UI. So in our lovely tavern, we have our lovely barmaid here, who is more than happy to create dishes for all your adventures. So you can have create your own menu of items that you want to include in the menu. So for example, if you want to have a dwarven strout as a drink, our adventurers can buy this. We can set our menu, we can have our appetizers set, our main courses, and our desserts. And now these lovely fellas over here, when they sit down, they can order food and drinks whenever they like. That's a psycho maid. I mean, you mean the ice probably? Well, maybe. I probably agree with you. And here you can see some info about what you need to create it. So, wheat and chili for a dragon's breath ale. Here you can see all the ingredients, manage them. So you have suppliers. These are things you unlock while you progress through the game. Now I'm just being a bit cheeky and unlocked a couple of things with the debug menu. You can basically buy things daily. And then we have a statistic, so you can see in graphs however much you earned and spent, or just how many items you sold, like a couple of stats to keep everything in check. So will you have competitors? If you mean for Guild Architect, no, we are so unique. No other game can even compare. It's not a competition. If you mean competition in the game, yeah, there are different suppliers, so they also have different prices and so on. And also just the amount of things they will sell. AI competitors. I don't know what you would compete in. So... Oh, no other guilds. You just have some quests that your adventurers can do. They expire and so on. So that's your urgency to the matter. Unlocking the tavern has the incorrect walls. Let's do that one so Marnik stops complaining that he cannot record the trailer. Take a look at. Describe the base game loop. How about after this bug? I'll show you. Because let's first do some work. I see the problem. But let's first see what it does. Cute icons for the menus. Glad you like them. Switchboard, Probably not, at least not at launch. That's for sure. Unlock our lovely tavern. Oh yeah, so it's the windows that are basically there. Okay, but this should be an easy fix. I thought it was not consistent. So it's just disable these bad boys. Is the foundation correct? I think so. Expansion. So the tavern cannot be unlocked. Which 2 is coming up soon. Marnix, we are under NDA. We cannot disclose that. I told you this before. Bada bim, bada boom. We unlock the tavern. And there's a nice road to go there. Hey. Okay, so this, I thought this was going to be a difficult one, but it just didn't have the correct scripts attached. DMU the release date. For legal reasons, I have to say I do not know this. Marnix is not doing anything wrong. He's a great guy. Controller support. You see, we wanted to do this with Forge Industry at some point, and we started with controller first approach for Songs of Evershade, but it's really hard. For example, in this UI that I've shown you about the tavern and so on, to make it controller friendly. It's a lot of work. So this is something we will not be doing, at least at launch. Just make sure we sell millions, and if we sell 1 million copies, I pinky promise you in chat, Sasha, you can clip this if you want, that will add controller support. 1 million copies and I guarantee it. The upgrades, yeah, so you unlock basically new rooms. The way we unlock it is going to be a bit different. Now I use cheat commands, but basically the guild layout is fixed, but you can add things in your own guild. So you have like your rooms here, you have a little outside area. Where did the walls go? You wanted to remove the walls, Marnix. What are you talking about? No, I said 1 million copies. Not 1,000. Yeah, I fixed it. Marnix has no respect for me. This is proof. Yeah, we are using Cinemachine for the blends and cuts. I can't tell you too much about it because William wrote that code, and earlier this stream I was already looking at it and was like, what the hell am I looking at? It was very confusing. So boom, another one in our review column. So yeah, we have to we are making some progress. The rooms have to be bought and they will be built for you, so you need gold and reputation. So yeah, you need to get there. I think I can show you a bit about the quest creation, since a lot of people asked about it, but we do not yet have, on this branch at least, a good example. But basically, this is where the main action happens. It's in your lovely guild master's office, and you get pieces of information. So for example, this lovely piece of paper is then a bit of info. You can have your manuals. What was the command again? Okay. And you can go to the book. So the idea is here we add things like lore, your bestiary, so on, and an atlas, so you know where everything is, so you can see weather effects and so on. And that's pretty basic what we're doing. So then if we focus on this piece of paper, we can say what class, what stats we think we need. For example, hey, this is a combat quest. We can divide how much a guild and the party earns, give it a fancy name, and then give it our seal of approval once we are ready. Also, William made something pretty funny. I'll show you guys, because I thought this was cool. Imagine you're a big bit clumsy like me, and you throw everything off the table. Boom. Look at this thing. They all float back when you press the bell. Thought it was cool. And hi, Ruff. Yeah, so the page flipping is indeed an asset, but the books were made by our lovely interns, so the textures and so on. And now we just need to fill them in. You could make pointer controls, yeah, probably, but we'll think about it. How do I stamp? Can I already stamp? I know William was working on this, so maybe I'm doing it dirty, trying out his code before knowing it. Can I drop it? Oop. Oop. Okay, I don't think it's working. Middle mouse button to stamp. Okay, thanks, Marnix. Oop. Hey. Alright, so the quest has been posted. But yeah, the bell, we're going to do tutorials. The thing you saw here from the quest is pretty early days. We are iterating to it quite frequently, and William is adding some really cool things in my opinion there. So yeah. Price, probably similar to Forge Industry. How long will the game be? Yes. I mean, Marnix probably has a very PR statement for this. I'm sure he will let me know how wrong I am in the chat pretty soon. Let's take a look. Because we won't be doing a 4-hour stream today. Is there something else we want to do? How's the UI for monster type in the quest and so on? You basically get sketches from witnesses. So that's the way you will have to identify monsters. But it's not. We try to avoid UI as much as possible and try to do it in a real 3D space, so to say. So we try to not just show you the UI like it's something we did before, but we didn't like it. I don't know if I can show you. No, I cannot show you, sadly. But basically, the piece of papers, we have two pieces here now, but one of these could be a sketch from a monster that someone has seen and so on. Alright, so this is one we can do. This is something I can probably make Copilot do for me in like a couple of minutes. Yeah, let's try it. So let's take whoop. Reputation manager. Oof, it's not going to be pretty. Can you change the reputation? Okay, not bad. Two breakpoints. Ah, very pretty. Good, I hated the drop-down UI. Yeah, the UI, we try to do as little UI as possible this time. Forge Industry had too much UI. For this game, we still need UI, quite a bit of it, but we just try to dial it down a bit. Oh, the lovely if statements. It's ugly. It's fine. It's fine. Mr. GPT, thank you very much for your service. Because I did not want to type all of this. It's an reputation level. Let's go there. So I need to add translations for all of these. I mean, yeah, Undertale levels of code, if you mean the if statements, sure. But, I mean, you don't have to ask. I mean, yeah, sure. You want a switch statement? Sure. I'll make you happy. Switch statement. Oh, Ryder. Ryder just recommends it yourself. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, you don't have to do it. We already made it. Switch expressions. No, you can stop. You don't have to work anymore. This is going to break our tests. Or it should. Let's see if I wrote good tests. If I run the reputation manager tests. I feel like they should break. No. Reputation manager tests. Do they break? Damn, they do not. Well, great tests. Reputation, Marnix one at 750 as a starting point. We can run these bad boys. Notorious. Why am I such? Why do people hate me? Reputation manager. Oh, I overrid it. Great. It's in our managers. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Val. 750. Boom. Yeah, definitely. AI cannot do everything. AI is there to do some easy things for us. Making an engine or a game. We're using Unity, so I'm not making Unity, if that's your question. We are making a game. But we are doing a couple of basic tasks this stream. But I love Copilot. Even though it's quote unquote going to replace me, surely. That's what most people think. I need to add the translations, or Marnix is going to kill me. I want to do it automatically. Need a class. What translation director? That's it. Translations, exact names. Let's import type of station level general station. What was the It's the suffix reputation underscore love underscore. Oh. Or something like this. AI Dungeon is really cool. I haven't tried the JetBrains AI assistant yet, so I cannot say which I prefer. Wait, what was extract items? Translation, extract items. It's doing a whole lot. English, Steamed. Right, so we should have our default names. Did Marnix enter any 2 words? No. Ah, love it. So translations are already done. Never mind. It's not working. Let's take a look. Reputation level fledgling. Resources. Languages. Okay. Oh. What happened? Right. Occupation. Oh, it enters with exit name. I mean, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Let's change this one then. This one there. Wait, did I shave? No, I mean, not today. And I am the guy from the video indeed. Daily level. Could be it. Well, Nick, thank you very much, but I don't think my beard is that good, but I appreciate the compliment nonetheless. Fledgling. There we go. Marnix, you happy? I think it's fine, just fine, huh? Okay. Is there a debug command to add reputation? Nope. Marnix, do you want a debug command to add reputation? If you do, I can make it. Yes, because yes, that it's good, or yes, that you want the command. With his beard lost, so are his going skill. I still have my beard. I don't know if it's the lighting, but I didn't shave. If you want me to implement it, pre-scale a ticket. Oh, you burnt your chips? I'm sorry to hear. I also haven't eaten yet, so if you have some extra and you deliver to Belgium. No ticket, no implementation of Marnix, so you know the rules. But I'll get started because I know you will make the ticket. I believe in you. Yeah. How much do you want to be able to add? Please open the kit if you want. It's a corporate statement. Yeah, I mean, I mentioned I'm CEO, right? How old is the Bite Me crew? William is by far the oldest. He's like 26, turning 27. I am the second oldest, which is very old. I'm almost 26. In August, I turned 26. William turns 27 in August. And Marnix, I think he turns 24 in September. If he doesn't, I just insulted him, and he's going to kill me probably. Really young, yeah, but we look old because we might be going a bit too hard. Like, our eye bags have eye bags. Gen Z crew. This may find stupid, but I only figured out like a month or two ago that I'm from Gen Z. I always thought I'm a millennial, and then it's like, no, you're a Zoomer, and I'm like, wait, what? What? Nobody told me. What do you guys think about this kind of stream, by the way? Do you like this kind? Do you prefer the kind we do usually? And Gen Z's in the 20s? I think from 19... I'm like one of the first from Gen Z. It's like 98 or so. Like 1998 or 1997 is when Gen Z starts, I think. So... Marx is not the quickest. Where is the ticket? It's not for the stream. Oh, you want me to do it off stream, or? Because you didn't apply the coding stream tag. So I guess I'll do it another time then. Anything from Bite Me is good. Hey, that's what I like to hear. You already put it in progress. I didn't say anything. You're a smart man, Marix. Good job. We want to test the variant. I want 2 commands, one at 750 and one that removes 250. Do we do the same for gold, Marnix? Or... But I'll get started. Add reputation. Right, add reputation. Gold is out of scope in different tickets. I mean, it's basically the same lines of code, so... Why Bite Me is the name? Well, it's a really weird story, but hear me out. I've always been a bit of an entrepreneur. So when I was like very young, like 14 or so, I was already creating apps and so on. So with another friend, not with the current Bite Me gang, I thought, yeah, let's make a great app that everyone will use. And it was basically a dating app that if you were alone in the city, you could, download the app, say, hey, I'm in the city, I want to get lunch together or dinner together, and you would get matched and you could go to eat, with someone you never do, and you can get to know more people. Now, that obviously failed because, I mean, you just launch an app and hope for the best, so it's not ideal. And then we made a game afterwards. It's called Sled. We have a video on the channel, which is the first game that I think I released. So yeah. And then we just said it was Bite Me Studios back then. I kept the name, met the current Bite Me game. Bite Me Studios was already taken, so we made it Bite Me Games, and that's how we changed it. Add reputation, so reputation manager, add reputation, you wanted 750. Reputation sources. Sure. Let's track filthy cheaters. Cheat menu, so we can use stats. It's always funny. Perfect. Public void remove reputation. but Marnix wanted to remove 250. I mean, we're all yeah, we're all basically leaders at Bite Me, but officially I have the CEO title, but both Marnix and I are the I mean, I don't know the English term, but if we get sued, one of us has to be there. I mean, I just don't have time for anyone, Project Buddy. You have no idea how much time it takes to have a full-time 40-hour-a-week job and then Bite Me at the side, so. Cyber Prime Games, thanks for joining. Hope you enjoyed the stream. Add 750 reputation. Add reputation. It's one done. And remove reputation, and then remove 250 reputation. I mean, it's not just a duo. William is also here. Yeah, so he's also one of the founders. So we founded it with 4 of us. Marnix, William, Jamie, and I. Jamie is a bit, let's call it part-time Bite Me. He doesn't like develop for the game. He mainly does our infrastructure. He makes sure we have pipelines. He makes sure everything is hosted nicely. Then we have Marnix. Marnix is the content guy. You probably know him the best, but he also does outreach. Like basically, he does also business management, business development a bit, and yeah. We use Git. It has definitely has its flaws, but we know Git since we're all software devs. Catering is also something for Marnix, or if you mean gathering waifus instead of waifu catering. Yeah. He also is not the best waifu gatherer. I wouldn't put my faith in Jamie for that. I did him dirty. I'm sorry. I'm not. Right, let's see. Wait, what were the levels? When would we hit our next level? At 1,000. So fledgling should become humble if we add it. Let's see if it works. Hey, boom, we are humble now. I guess another one. Reputable. I mean, this is exactly what you wanted, right, Marnix? You happy? Git as in Git DHCVS, huh? I mean, I assume you mean version control system, and yeah, we use Git and Git large file storage to cover it all. You haven't been happy in 2 years. I mean, that's nice to hear. That means the first months from Bite Me you were happy. So yeah, good to hear. Because we were talking about it like a bit ago. We're almost 3 years in by now, right? Which is unique. It's a weird feeling to have because we achieved a lot, but we also have a lot to do, like a long way to go. The level of random null exceptions. Where do you see null exceptions? I don't see them. So that's also a thicket. Well done. Did Marnix add anything for gold? Nope. So we're done with that one. Do we have post-processing in the game? We do. Where Let me show you. Volume. Oh god. I didn't want to press the play button again. I didn't want to quit the game. So with and without. Without, with, without, with. So we try to make it pop a bit more. One of our artists, intern artists, did this for us. I think it's pretty decent. Pops quite. Where's my UI? There it is. What happened? Nobody saw anything. Don't tell Marnix. How we use two asynchronous tasks? I assume it's completely different in Unreal, yes, but we use coroutines mostly. Yeah. I'm doing fine. Gog Denis, I'm sorry if I butchered your name, but welcome. Have you ever had a job experience in creating games? Nope. When I was deciding what to study, I looked at game development and normal IT, saw the difference in wages, and I said, okay, maybe it's not the smart thing to do, sadly. So I went into normal IT and do game dev on the side, and we are doing our part in making sure that people in the game dev community will be able to get a normal wage. At least us when we get there, we hope. Let's take a look. Is there something else if we do something else? Bench pressing the dwarf. I mean, this is something Marnix is very passionate about, so maybe we do this. It has a dwarf in it. This animated dwarf would look pretty good. Positioning of the dwarf is wrong. Yeah, I'm a full-time IT consultant, so I go to big corpo and I say this good, this bad, and I write code. I'm software engineer. Are we going to do this one? Or are we doing something else? Are you FEB or FS? I have no idea what the abbreviations mean. I'm not native English, so try again. Yeah, the bench press is a pretty important asset. Is it true with you, Marnix? Oh, front and back and full stack. Yeah, full stack, obviously, everything. But yeah, the bench pressing is. Let me give you a little sneak peek. The bench press is a core part of our trailer. Let's give the people the thought behind it. Where is my UI gone? Is it because I changed the value? Probably. Is it? Oh, it's here. I mean, yeah, especially as a consultant, it's hard to not be full stack, I think, because, yeah. My UI is back. Fixed. Let's go. Yeah, I was going to show one of our fancy expansions. It's a training ground. So here, there's going to be a bench press somewhere. And we have our lovely advisor, which is clipping a bit, so ignore that part. And the dwarves, or older people, like the adventurers in general, can go there and train so they get stronger. Just like real life. Hit the gym, boys and girls, everyone. I mean, it's maybe we'll look at his thingy. It's I didn't go to master yet. I hope there are no changes. Let's go to master. Please tell me. Okay, good. Nobody changed anything after me. Great. Going. Later I'll make a pull request with detailing whatever is in here, but ain't nobody got time for that now. Stream tickets. Boom. Let's say Guild Arc had triple the scope and it was going to take 4 years, so it makes it to really smaller games. I mean, it will make your 4 years 5 or 6 years. But if you need money, you need money, and you need to find a way to get money at least. Because yeah, people gotta eat. So it's pushed. Let's make a pull request later, because maybe I'll push some more things in it. I think for our lovely dwarf, there was a branch, right? Bench pressing dwarf. Beautiful name. No. What you get? My lovely command line for Git, because I'm a bit old school. I don't know how to do a writer, and at this point, I don't want to find out. Check out. Oh, Marnix put the dwarf in the guild hall, obviously. Marnix, try to change the guild hall as little as you can. Do it in prefabs, or we are going to have like large conflicts. Git is not happy with guild hall at the moment. It's fine. We'll make it work. Yeah, release experience is really, really useful. What are you talking about? I only touched the prefab lights. Oh, did you? Fine. Marnix is defending himself. I'll allow it. But yeah, releasing, I think the view on game dev we had before Forge Industry and after is very, very different. As we see, like everything we saw going. Can you rename it Adventurers? No, they have their own name. It would be weird if you go work for someone and someone says, now you're named like this. But they have cool names that are bound to their race and so on. So they're not just random names. What was I going to do? Look at the dwarf. Look at the dwarf. I assume he's in the training grounds. He is not. Okay, let's take a look. Spot the dwarf. Where is the bench pressing dwarf? Can you change adventure modes to anime waifus? Make mods for it. You need to place a grid object. Oh, okay. You attach it to the object. That's fine. That's fine. I'll allow it. Bench press. Oh, here's our lovely dwarf. It's beautiful. It's everything I imagined and more. Your Discord boot makes me look at my Discord. Yeah, it's streamer mode on earlier, but Marnix keeps sending me messages and they are often important, so I'm very sorry. Alright, so let's take a look at bench press. Bench press. Marnix, I know what the problem is going to be. First things first, you probably made your animation at a fixed position. It's my first guess. And that's probably the reason. Like first thing, I think if we make it blacksmith or whatever, copy this bad boy. Component base values and zero everything out. Oh yeah, we don't, not that of course. It looks the same. Star for your maybe if you're not gonna make something good. Yeah, the first thing I think about is that the animation uses the zero position. We're about to find out. Might not be the case. I could look at the animation, and it's probably the smart thing to do. But I don't think I've ever went on record saying I'm smart, and I don't think I ever will. Let's take a look. See. Great. Not only did he not move, but he stopped moving at all. So we did not make progress. Let's undo this bad boy real quick. And what did Marnix do? Bench press. Because I'm a programmer, I have no clue about anything about animation, so let's take a look. Wait. Exactly what I wanted to do, obviously. Blacksmith. But where the hell are you getting your animation? Oh, alright. No, my thing of bench press. Is this for the bench or for the animated? Animation. Is it for this one? No. Bench. Aha. Let's take a look-see. What did our good friend Magnus do? I think. Okay, so it attacked like one mob. I see. Yeah, that's definitely going to work if we change. This only works for the blacksmith. For the adventurers, we will have to do something else, Max. But it's fine. Let's first make this work so it's trader ready for you. Position. I wonder. Does it reset to 0 anyway? Mocap yet? Yeah. Just get. Yeah. Thank you for making a ticket, and thank you for also getting us a mocap, Suta. You're on it, right? Easy. My phone is like buzzing. Like Marnix created a ticket and assigned you. Just going to check what happens in our lovely bench. So here it's variety. Blacksmith didn't move. But it's weirdly offset indeed. Because the arms move less than. The hell did you do? How's it going? Well, the stream is going pretty decent. We made quite a bit of progress, and then I was like, let's just fix this thingy, and it looks very cursed, so that's nice, I guess. The origin for 3v mod, maybe. It's weird because in the prefab here, yeah, sure. Wait, why are you laying here now? I swear this was at the correct position earlier, right? What? Come on, Unity, let me drag it. Oh no, it's because I'm playing a user. Yeah, it might be because of the play modes, but let's first get this thingy straight. I know it's not correct right now, I just want to align it. Give me a second. Don't know if you guys see it on stream, like our own cursor and the other cursor are not at the same. Something like this. Something like this. Let's see if you place a new one. I mean, that's already looking better. The arms are still completely doomed. And, like, I don't know why he's not moving his arms, like, almost at all. This is not how you do a proper bench press. I mean, Marnix, you say that, but maybe you did do something wrong, I don't know. think I can change the animation. So at least it seems like his alignment is correct now. I'll just restart it just to double check. Expansion. And let's get our bench press going. Okay. So the dwarf is in the correct place. Now his arms are the thing that are doomed. Correct place-ish. He could be placed better, but it's fine. Yeah, we are from Belgium, but we do speak Dutch, or Flemish, if that's what you want to call it. Let's take a look at the animation again. What did he do? Press. I think he's probably just using IK to move it. Which, to be fair, it's pretty smart. Yeah, but once the animation plays here, it's locked in. Or is it? The right arm is completely doomed. The left arm seems to work properly. I need to move it upwards, I think. Right arm. No. Spine. Right arm. Right forearm. Oh, God. That's not what I wanted. Right forearm. This one? Yeah, okay, it's this one. I see. Press record. We go and fix this. Yoink. What do you guys think of this arm? Looks natural, right? Keep it focused. Damn it. I think I should move this one as well to do it properly, or it looks weird as hell. What do you think about this? He's a buff guy. It's terrible. His hands are too short. You don't have to do everything from animation window. Yeah, we do, but I first want to see what looks decent. Because it's very wonky. Thing is, this one should probably be rotated now. Like, going upwards a bit. Oh. But, I mean, Marnix is the guy that makes the prettier animations. So I think I'm just... Nah. How lazy am I going to be? Always our question. I'll just move his shoulder a bit more up by default. I think that's Danish. And this one. It's the axis I want. Well, not the axis I want. It's offset a bit. That's fine. It's fine. Let's rotate this guy a bit. Something like that probably looks decent, I think. The deforming, I mean, this is it, right? Yeah, we didn't really do it well. We used like mix mode to get it rigged and skinned. Ah yes, this is exactly what I wanted. But the thing is, I need to assign it here. Probably shouldn't change it. Be good. Yeah. I think I aligned the guy. Shouldn't Marnix fix his animation then? Because that's clearly the problem. I don't know how he made it. Basically, yeah, his arms are too short and need to be moved. That's so lame. Hey party people. Well, hey Jason. Code is so much easier than stupid animations. I don't like this. Like normally you can. Oh, it's because I'm in a prefab. That might be the case. Look at you. Or can I lock it? Yeah, that's what we want. Just an idiot. Is there an IK solution in Unity? Yeah. Kinda. Animation. Lock it. Oh, let's do this properly. Well, with properly I mean like decent enough, because this is a most beautiful animation I've ever seen. First things first, let's. What? I did. Yeah, okay, I did lock it. Never mind. So, the arm. Ideal. Don't worry, we fix it soon. Need his shoulder to go upwards a bit. Okay. Also, I know I'm not good at animations. This is why I normally don't do it. But just for you guys, I'm here to create a very cursed animation. Oh. Beautiful. Ah, look at his elbow. It's beautiful. what do I work as my day job? A software engineer. So I'm an IT consultant. I just write a lot of code and give people advice. We should lower it here as well. So this is so cursed. In case you didn't notice, I'm not a good animator. How does this look? It is beautiful. I have created a work of art. Don't you guys think? Okay. This is the end condition, that's for sure. I mean, it works. This is why I let Marnix do the animation thingies. I made like a sign animation, it looks horrible. His arms aren't even at the same position. It looks good. No, I don't think it does look good. But maybe from an angle like this, it's maybe possible for the trailer. Let's see how it looks in game. I'd rotate a shoulder bone when he's pushing it up. We can try it. Let's. I first want to see how it looks in game. Yeah, of course we are looking like straight at it, so maybe it looks better in game. But I fear that's a bit of copium. All right, let's see this guy in action. I mean, there he goes. I mean, just saying, Marnix did the left arm, I did the right. Okay, sure, my body, this is like a bit more dysmorphia, but his gloves are clipping through his like his I don't know what it's called in English. I mean, let's try the thing Astro Monkey suggested when it goes up, because it's still a bit weird indeed. Let's go back. So we were doing this lovely thing. So when he, well, let me take a look. Rotate the shoulder bone when he's pushing upwards. Oh, I didn't lock it. God damn it. Lock it. Record. In the middle. Shoulder. I mean, I think you mean outside, right? Try to keep the bones the same length is definitely the correct way to do it. I agree. Look at the shape here. I don't think that's how your bones usually go. Oh, you mean upwards? That's maybe a good idea, actually. No, he gave us some advice, so we kind of have to try our best. So the forearm is huge. Let's dial that back a bit. Well, the arm is already higher. Something like this, maybe. Copy. God damn it, Unity. me copy. I. Why can you not let me copy Unity? Why are you being mean? You allowed me to do it earlier. Not this at the end. Like, why? Why can I not copy? Alright, now you let me copy. I had to select something else. Sure. Let's take a look at our lovely dwarf. I feel like this is worse, but I made it worse. Yeah, the downward position is now screwed. But we can fix it. Maybe. Hopefully. I assume we move that one a bit more down. Maybe. Oh, so I wanted to move. No, go back. How does this look? He should go deeper with his arm. Yeah, indeed, shoulder needs to go down a bit. Sure. The arm. Okay, that's already better. Good advice. Give it a non-symmetric animation. Yeah, you are right. We should probably do that, but this is just for okay, that's not what I wanted. This is just a temporary animation anyway, so it should be fine. Slowly, I know. Nah, I'll keep it symmetrical for now. We're going to change the animation anyway for the actual game. This is now it only has to look good for like 2 seconds at one angle. So spotters are for weak people and for people that want to live. Hey, from this angle, it doesn't look too bad, no? It's not a masterpiece, that's for sure. And this is why I write code, not animations, but it's passable. I mean, this is passable for a 2 seconds. Yeah, exactly, it passes. Good. Let's go. Easy. We don't want the changes in Guildhall. I'll just push it to your branch. Prefab, controller, all of it. Go. Badge. Changes. Yeah, there's a bug that we that the trees and the grass don't go away when it is unlocked. Oh, damn, it's already 9 p.m. here. I think I'm going to call it quits there. Because I'm quite hungry, I didn't eat yet. I mean, we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, about 8 tickets. So we did. I think we achieved quite a bit, especially for doing it while streaming. It was a fun experience. It's the first time that we've done this, so well, we didn't only do animations. I mean, maybe next time, if there is a next time, we have some interesting tickets. I mean, these are just the coding stream ones, but there are some older ones. Like this one could be pretty fun to do on a stream. It's like a sort of notification system in 3D for adventures when there are things going on. Pretty decent. Yeah. Oh, what did I change? Oh yeah. All I need to do is create a merge request now. But I'll do it off stream, because I don't think that's the most interesting thing to see. I mean, thank you all for joining the stream. I had fun. I hope you guys did as well. And when we do it again, I'm sure you'll be notified, and I hope to see you again then. Accompany me, teach me how to rotate the shoulder properly so it doesn't look like I severed someone's arm off. Rider is indeed best, and hope to see you guys next one. Bye bye.